Dr. Narendra has told and you have listened in the past, our main aim is here to provide the social uplifting of the people of the Madagascar. Number two, the providing the good medical education to you people. And third, providing the health care betterment to the community of the whole of the Madagascar. And then, as we have discussed, that the kind, Honorable His Excellency, the President of Madagascar had kindly blessed us and given his kind consent to proceed this project. So I am grateful to His Excellency, the President of Madagascar and the public of Madagascar and my dear students. Then we will fulfill our commitments here. And listen, my dear, this story of coming in Madagascar, the NIMS group started not very old. It's only 1.5 months old only. So, I have a background of my States, UK and European background, my study. I'm in India. So I came back from the States in India to serve the country.